Best motorcycle for beginners: BMW G310R. Choosing the right motorcycle as a beginner rider is a critical decision that can significantly impact your riding experience and safety. The BMW G310R has made a mark as one of the best motorcycles for beginners due to its blend of stylish design, accessible performance, and advanced features. In this comprehensive review, we will explore why the BMW G310R is an exceptional choice for novice riders, discussing its design, performance, safety attributes, and overall appeal. Striking design and BMW's legacy. The BMW G310R showcases the brand's commitment to excellence in design and engineering. Its dynamic styling reflects BMW's legacy of crafting premium motorcycles, even in their entry-level models. The G310R is defined by its compact size, modern lines, and the iconic asymmetrical headlight design, which imparts a distinct and eye-catching appearance. For beginners who appreciate quality and aesthetics, the G310R doesn't disappoint. Lightweight and approachable. One of the standout features of the G310R is its lightweight and manageable build. Weighing in at around 350 pounds, this motorcycle is incredibly easy to handle, making it an ideal choice for beginners. The low seat height and user-friendly ergonomics ensure that riders can comfortably touch the ground, further enhancing their confidence, stability, and control. These attributes make the G310R a fantastic companion for riders starting their motorcycling journey. Potent single-cylinder engine. The BMW G310R is powered by a responsive 313cc single-cylinder engine, delivering around 34 horsepower. While this engine may appear modest compared to larger motorcycles, it's perfectly suited for beginners. The power delivery is smooth and linear, making it predictable and easy to manage, and the engine provides enough oomph for enjoyable city commuting and light touring. The G310R is designed for riders to learn and grow with it, building their skills and confidence. Dynamic handling. BMW has paid great attention to the G310R's handling characteristics, ensuring that it offers a rewarding and dynamic riding experience. The motorcycle features a sporty, yet comfortable suspension setup, making it agile and precise when navigating corners in urban environments. The lightweight frame contributes to the bike's overall agility, allowing beginners to develop their riding skills without feeling overwhelmed. Advanced safety features. Safety is a paramount concern for novice riders, and the BMW G310R integrates modern safety features to enhance the overall riding experience. One of the standout features is the anti-lock braking system, ABS, which comes standard. ABS prevents will lock up during hard braking, making it an invaluable asset for beginners. It provides additional control and confidence during panic stops or adverse road conditions. Comfort and ergonomics. The G310R offers a comfortable and upright riding position, thanks to its well-padded seat and handlebar placement. This ergonomic design ensures that riders can enjoy extended journeys without feeling excessive discomfort or fatigue. The comfortable riding position contributes to the bike's overall user-friendliness, which is essential for beginners learning to ride. BMW's reliability and support. BMW is renowned for producing motorcycles that are not only stylish but also reliable. The G310R is no exception, offering German engineering and build quality. Furthermore, BMW has an extensive network of dealerships and service centers, ensuring that riders have access to support, maintenance, and spare parts when needed. This comprehensive support network can be a significant advantage for beginner riders who may require assistance during their initial riding experiences. Customization and accessories. The G310R offers a range of accessories and customization options, enabling riders to personalize their motorcycles to suit their preferences. Whether it's adding windshields, luggage options, or different styling components, the G310R can be tailored to create a unique and individualized riding experience. Affordable price point. Affordability is a critical consideration for novice riders, and the BMW G310R is reasonably priced compared to many other BMW motorcycles. This attractive price point provides an accessible entry into the world of BMW motorcycles, allowing beginners to experience the brand's prestige and innovation without a prohibitive cost. Resale value. BMW motorcycles typically hold their value well, and the G310R is no exception. Should a beginner decide to upgrade to a larger BMW model in the future, the G310R is likely to retain a significant portion of its initial value, which can be a financial advantage. Conclusion. The BMW G310R stands as a compelling choice for beginners seeking a motorcycle that offers a harmonious blend of style, performance, and advanced features. Its captivating design, lightweight and manageable build, dynamic handling, and advanced safety attributes make it an ideal motorcycle for new riders. The G310R combines approachable power with an advanced yet comfortable riding experience, allowing beginners to learn and grow as motorcyclists. BMW's reputation for reliability and the extensive support network further enhance its appeal. In conclusion, the BMW G310R is a remarkable option for beginner riders, offering an enjoyable and safe entry into the world of motorcycling, all within a reasonable budget. Whether you're an aspiring motorcyclist eager to experience the prestige of BMW or an experienced rider looking for an accessible and versatile machine, the G310R is a motorcycle that's sure to provide a thrilling and satisfying riding journey.